What information do I need to activate my Lloyds debit card?
Hello, folks. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to activate your Lloyds Bank debit card. If you've just received a new card in the mail, it's important to get it activated as quickly as possible so you can start using it. Here, we're going to walk you through the process. Remember, your security is paramount, so never share sensitive information unless it's required as part of the activation process.
What information will you need?
To activate your new Lloyds Bank debit card, you'll need a few pieces of information. 1. Your debit card. Your 16-digit card number on the front of the card, the card expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV code on the back will be needed. 2. Your personal details. Some personal information to confirm your identity, like your date of birth or your postcode, might be required. Remember, Lloyds Bank will never ask for your full password or other full security details. Always ensure you're interacting directly with the bank and not a third party to maintain your security.
How can you activate your card?
There are a few methods you can use to activate your Lloyds Bank debit card. 1. Online banking. If you're registered for online banking, log in and follow the prompts to activate your card. 2. Mobile app. If you have the Lloyds Bank mobile app, you can activate your card there. 3. Phone. You can call Lloyds Bank on the phone number provided with your card. 4. ATM. You can also activate your card at a Lloyds Bank ATM by using the card and your PIN. Choose the most convenient method for you and follow the instructions provided. Activating your Lloyds Bank debit card is a simple process that you can complete in a few steps. Make sure you have the right information at hand, and remember to keep your details secure at all times. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more banking queries, let us know in the comments section and we'll do our best to help you out. Happy banking!